Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda today, in this training video, I will tell you about General Attribute Set and General Attribute Window and its usage in DMS. The objectives of this training is to understand following. What is in General Attribute Set and General Attribute Window? What is the purpose of it? How to create General Attribute Group and General Attributes. How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. General Attribute Set. A general attribute group is a set of related attributes that helps in organizing and managing documents more efficiently. By grouping similar attributes together, users can easily search, filter, and categorize documents based on specific criteria. This makes it simpler to handle and retrieve documents when needed. For example, an attribute group like shortlisting of employees may include attributes such as years of experience, qualification, and shortlisting status. Grouping these details allows quick access to shortlisted employee records and improves the overall document management process. General Attribute. The General Attribute screen enables users to define the attribute name, value type, and other settings. This feature is used to categorize documents, allowing for better classification. It helps streamline document management by providing a clear structure for filter documents. For example, a shortlisting status attribute with a list value type such as yes or no helps users easily categorize documents based on whether they have been shortlisted. This enables quick filtering to focus only on shortlisted employees when needed. As a result, document management becomes more efficient by reducing the time spent on searching documents through large volumes of files. Let's go through these settings one by one through training video. Please log in to system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open General Attribute Set window from the menu. Click on New Record button to create the General Attribute group. Organization is already entered based on the login details, but the user can change the organization from the dropdown. First field is Name. The user can enter the name of the general attribute group. For example, shortlisting of employees. Next field is Description. It is an optional field. Here, the user can enter the additional notes or comments related to the general attribute group, if any. Next field is Active. This tells this record is active and ready to be used by system. Click on Save button. Now, the user can add the multiple attributes to the General Attribute group by navigating to the General Attribute Use tab. Click on New Record button to add the general attribute. First, Organization and General Attribute Set field are automatically populated based on the header configuration. Next field is Sequence. The sequence number defines the line number, which is always increases by 10. Next field is General Attribute. The user can select the general attribute from the dropdown, but first we have to create it. To create a general attribute, the user can either zoom into the general attribute screen or open it directly from the menu. Currently, I am zooming into the general attribute screen. Click on New Record button to create the general attribute. Organization is already entered based on the login details, but the user can change the organization from the dropdown. First field is Name. The user can enter the name of the general attribute. For example, shortlisted. Next field is Attribute Value Type. The user must select the attribute value type from the drop-down options, including list, number, and string. List means the user can add the list of general attributes by navigating to the General Attribute Value tab. Number means entering the general attribute in numbers, like every document have number. For example, 1, 2, etc. String, max 40, means the short descriptions. The user can enter the description up to 40 characters. Currently, I am selecting List option as the attribute value type. Next field is Mandatory. Enabling this checkbox indicates the general attribute becomes required whenever the user selects the associated attribute group. So, right now, I have marked this checkbox as false. Next field is Description. It is an optional field. Here, the user can enter the additional notes or comments related to the general attribute, if any. Next field is active. This tells this record is active and ready to be used by system. Click on Save button. Now, the user can add the list of general attributes by navigating to the General Attribute Value tab. Click on New Record button to add the list of general attributes. First field is name. The user can enter the name of the list options. For example, yes. Next field is description. It is an optional field. Here, the user can enter the additional notes or comments related to the list, if any. Next field is active. This tells this record is active and ready to be used by system. Click on Save button and the search key is auto-populated. Add another list option by clicking on New Record button and enter the name. For example, no. Click on Save button. Go to the header and the general attribute is created successfully. I will create another general attribute. Click the New Record button, then enter the name. For example, years of experience. Next, select the attribute value type as number and click the Save button. Both the general attributes have been created successfully. Now, return to the General Attribute Set window and add the created general attributes one by one from the drop-down list. First, select the Years of Experience attribute and click the Save button. Then, click the New Record button again and select Shortlisted attribute. Click Save button again. The general attributes are now successfully added under the General Attribute group. The user can now upload documents using the General Attribute group and its associated general attributes. This allows documents to be categorized and managed efficiently based on the defined attributes. Thank you.